So we have finished reading the book about the amazing buildings, that information book. Our next nonfiction book is called Penguins. Let's get started. The table of contents. What are they? Where are they? Not just any bird. What's for dinner? Life on land. A chick is born. The longest march. Penguin parade. Penguin play. And a picture glossary. I'm noticing in this table of contents that the chapters start with what and where. What? It's answering some of those who, what, where, when, why questions, right? Information books usually try to teach us the who, what, when, where, and why about a topic. What are they? What birds cannot fly? What birds spend most of their lives in the ocean, but are not fish? What birds live in the coldest part of the world all year long? They swim, they march, they slide through the snow. They are penguins. Where are they? All penguins live between the equator and the South Pole. Some live where it's very cold. Some live in warmer places like the coasts of Africa or Australia. Penguins live on islands, on coasts, and even on icebergs in the sea. They just need to be near water because they spend most of their lives in the water. We know that when we read books, we learn, or information books, we learn from everything on the page, not just words. So let me look at this map over here. I'm seeing that most of the penguins are living in Antarctica. Some live on this coast of South America. Others live on this bottom tip of Africa. I didn't know that. And other penguins live in Australia. Here it says bird words, equator, an imaginary line halfway between the North and South poles, and the coast is where the land meets the water. Not just any bird. Penguins are perfect for their lives at sea. They have a sleek shape for speed. A layer of blubber keeps them warm. Stiff flippers act like boat paddles to push and steer. They have big eyes to see underwater. And this word, bird words, webbed, means it's connected by skin. They have big webbed feet for better steering, and their layers of soft feathers trap heat. Stiff, oily feathers on top keep out the water. I didn't know feathers could do that. I didn't know feathers could keep out water. Here it said, what did the penguin do when he got upset? He flippered out. Their black beaks make them hard to see from above. Their light bellies make them hard to see from below. But it's their strong, solid flippers that help them escape predators and get where they want to go. Penguins can swim about 15 miles an hour. When they want to go faster, they leap out of the water as they swim. It's called porpoising because that's what porpoises do. So we're learning so many new facts about penguins. We're learning they leap out of the water when they want to swim fast. We're learning all the different parts of their bodies that help them live in their lives in the cold parts of the world, right? And we're learning where they live. Did the penguin leap out of the water by accident? No, he did it on purpose. What's for dinner? So I can expect that on this page, I'm going to learn what penguins eat. Because the heading, this writing at the top of the page is called the heading. And this says what the rest of the page is going to be about. Life in the ocean is fishalicious. Penguins eat a lot of fish. They have a hooked bill or beak to help them grab their dinner. Barbs on their tongues and in their throats help them to hold on to slippery food. Would you like a drink of salty water to go with that fish? Penguins are able to clean the salt out of ocean water. They get fresh water to drink, and the salt dribbles back into the ocean. So they must take all the water in their mouth and somehow get the salt out of it. So they just drink the fresh water. Barb is something sharp and pointy, like a hook. So this barbed, hooked-shaped beak must be really important to the penguin to help the penguin get food to eat. bird words. Marine mammals, I'll read over here. While penguins are slurping down their dinners, they have to be careful not to end up as dinner themselves. Penguins are the favorite food of marine mammals, such as leopard seals and killer whales. Penguins are also in danger on land. Birds like the skua, the Australian sea eagle, and the giant petrel eat penguins. Even cats, snakes, foxes, and rats eat penguins when they can. Here's a caption: the gentoo, penguins, and a skua. Skua is a kind of bird. It says bird words. Marine mammals have fur and give birth to live young. Unlike other mammals, they spend most of their time in the ocean. Marine means ocean or sea, right? So marine mammal lives in the ocean. All right, we are going to stop there for readers for today. We will continue learning about penguins tomorrow. Have a good rest of the day.